I'm gonna open my PS3. This confirms.
Does it zoom in or anything, or?
Don't know.
I don't know.
This phone. Fucking, I can't even open it. Come on. Yeah.
I tell you what, the PS3 looks as smart as fuck, doesn't it? It looks like a very tidy piece.
Ready for it.
Go on, mate. Go on. I would have.
This is where I break it.
Crunch. Shit.
Great piece of shit.
You made me laugh. I was so up for getting my end away tonight. Oh my god.
You need skills when you got a PS3. Oh, look at that. Fucking hell.
Oh, mate. That is one
I'm not going to touch it.
tidy piece of kit, that is.
PS3. Cleaned it. Cool. Let's set this bad boy up. Nice.